So the bus is gonna pick us up and bring us to Carmelita, and then we're gonna walk from Carmelita to Tintal, and it's like 17 kilometers. Oh, it's here, so bye bye.
Where'd she go?
There he is.
There he is.
We passed the place where we're gonna go.
It says
Hey guys, so if anybody wants something from their bag, you should take it now.
So we're here at Carmelita. We're gonna go and have breakfast. They just brief us a little bit. Say it again, sorry. And we're gonna sign some paper in case we get hurt. And then we're gonna start our hike. And that's gonna be fun. I'm excited. I can't wait.
Yeah. She's not gonna run. I was in my heyday, but these days I'm lucky to get out of bed.
So I think this is where we're gonna have breakfast.
I ran before.
Hey cuties! Hello! Hola! One thing you're gonna realize in Guatemala is that most restaurants are like little shacks, but the most important thing is that the food is good. Not good.
Oh yeah, of course, I can see.
Yeah.
You like Steve. Steve also likes to be. Oh, there's Steve.
Yeah.
Come you get winking my meat.
Now that we finished our breakfast, we're gonna walk to our first destination, which is going to be Tintal, and I'm so excited. It's gonna be such a fun day walking. It's gonna be tiresome, but it's gonna be really, really fun. So I'm looking forward to walking. Yay!
Okay. I want you to all jump. Like that. Okay, we're not saying.
She wants some video.
Pretty fast. We are on our way.
Sweetie.
It's gonna be fun.
Oh, miracle como se no. Oh.
We're hiking.
This way.
All right, you're tangled. You're tangled.
Who have you followed?
I follow this guy.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, I didn't really like the idea. So we are in the jungle, as you can see. It's not really a jungle, it's just in the bushes. And we are waiting for some people because we're the fast ones and they're coming ahead.
It's just that they are very loose.
Yeah.
So like I can't stand very well.
So he's our guide, dear Jose.
He brought at least 3 pairs of shoes.
I think Jose's gonna have to try to keep up with us because we're pretty fast walkers.
Yeah, wait till tomorrow. I want to see you tomorrow early morning.
Okay.
You have walked just for 20 minutes for now.
Yeah.
Tomorrow
No.
morning. It's
But we walk every other day.
We're used to walking though.
Yeah.
Or about there.
I really don't.
Look at my shoes.
You leave it out and you gotta remember
Looking good. So that's our food. A lot of eggs.
Yes.
I don't see the ice cream though. It's hiding.
Push it out.
It is really muddy right here, but we're doing so good, and today is day one. Day one. And we have 4 more days. That's Claudette. 4 more days. 4 more days.
Everybody's still smiling. That's pretty good.
I think I'm gonna
Nothing but smiles. Good. Yeah. Oh yes.
Sounds amazing.
Oh, look at La Princesa.
Having a little time out on the mule.
Yeah.
And instead of, it's very muddy, so instead of looking at the ground, we're having a chance to look at the jungle.
Yeah.
It was great. Yeah,
That's La Princesa Divina.
Yeah, look, yo soy la princesa.
They're changing over so a different person can get a chance on the mule. Divinia. Yeah, she's giving someone else a chance.
Yeah, I think she's a little bit overweight and tired. So we're just taking a little break on our trek to El Mirador, day 1, and the mules are having a little rest. We're having a little rest. We've been going for a few hours. Some of us had to go on the mules, which was quite fun because we're in quite thick jungle just with this path. Yeah, it's just kind of nice to be able to sit up and look around a little bit. How you doing, Steve? Trip leader Steve.
You can show yourself as a hi. Woo! So Davina is taking over right now.
I'm taking over right now. Yeah, Shanique can have a rest and be the star of the movie. How are you feeling, girl?
I'm feeling really good. I'm loving this. I always want to do this for a very long time, and I'm happy I'm doing this. And I'm doing it with great people. And Davinia, you should show yourself, Davinia.
My very red face.
If you do that.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Oh yeah. Oh, you're seeing me. Oh yeah. Okay, this way.
So yeah.
Oh, you were shooting yourself all along.
No, I'm looking at you right now.
Oh,
look, I'm looking. I'm
okay.
seeing. Yeah.
I thought. No, what am I doing? Okay, I don't know what I'm doing.
I've just got a load of butts though.
Yeah. Okay, if I things on the fridge.
Reggie, how's it going?
Pretty good.
Yeah, you having a nice time?
Is that a long answer?
No, you need to give a longer answer.
I'd like to say pretty good.
I'm a little dirty, so I'm going to wash my hands here. You really want to film this for about 5-10 minutes?
Yeah, this is a special washing technique that Reggie uses on jungle treks. Look at the shoe mud, that's nothing. We've all just scraped off our shoes. They've all been pretty cakey. Anyhow, we're having a great time. Going to pass you back to your normal host.
Yeah.
Hostess.
So thank you, Davinia.
You're welcome, Angel.
So that's Davinia, my La Princesa.
La Princesa Roja.
Yeah.
The red princess.
Yeah. Hey guys, we are here. Finally. Oh, so who come first get the best cheer?
A little hot, a little tired, but awesome.
But you're happy.
Yeah, happy.
We are finally here.
Yeah, finally reached the lunch stop.
And we can just relax. Time to sleep?
Yes.
Yeah?
Buenas noches.
Yeah. You're being amazing. And thank you for this.
Yes.
Yeah. How do you feel, baby? You feel good? How was the trail today?
Good.
Yeah?
You want a bigger sentence than that?
Yes, you're being very puny in your sentence.
Good, lots of mud. So for a while our shoes were very heavy.
Yeah?
My shoes are not comfortable, so yeah, I have blisters and
Yeah.
that kind of stuff. But
Yeah. Gracias. Eso. This is a life, right?
It's camping.
We deserve it. We can like put up our feet now. So we are here. That's Reg over there. We're having lunch at this nice site.
Right now.
And today it was good. I did really good. You think I did good, right, Reg? I didn't even complain. I didn't even say I was tired. Only once. I only said it for fun.
No, you said it, right?
Yeah, for fun. And now we're having this nice ham and cheese sandwich with some orange juice, apple juice.
If anybody wants one more, just ask for it.
Oh, okay, that's nice.
One more?
I don't know yet. Steve giving him some love. He deserves it. Yeah, all that.
Loving.
Yeah, he deserves a lot of love, huh?
Careful, he's a little low down there.
So we have 5 more kilometers before we reached our final destination for the day, and it's great. I'm happy.
People are quite tired.
Yeah, some people are tired, but so good. So far, so good. I am happy. I just want to reach there. I find it tiresome more when I sit, so I'm happy I'm back on the road, and it'll be better when I reach there and I can take my shoes off and relax in my tent.
Take my shoes off and have Shanique down, put my feet on your breast. Okay, do your thing there, sweetie.
Yeah. Finally I get ready to video me, huh? Look how pretty it is. It's really beautiful. We have 5 more kilometers and we'll be there. It's good. I'm having fun. I have some water here.
Unless I find it's not what I expected.
I think you're gonna be.
So guys, I can see the campsite from here. We are here, almost here, you say, and I'm tired. We're almost there. I can see the campsite. My toes are hurting me like crazy. It's killing me. I'm happy to be here. I'm just gonna go and lie down and hopefully Roger will massage my toes. I did good. We did good. We start like 11 o'clock and now it's 4:37. Really, really good. I'm gonna show you guys the campsite right now. This is where we'll be sleeping. And we're gonna be sleeping at different campsites for 4 days and it's gonna be really, really amazing. Really amazing. I'm gonna show you guys right now. So this is our campsite. Davina, we're here. Dev, look.
Just right now. Hi.
This side. This way. Remember?
Way?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Middle hot.
So we're here.
We're here.
We did it. We
Yeah,
did it.
And
And
we're
it's like
ready- We're ready
4:37.
for showers and a beer.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. So this is a real adventure, you know? It's a big deal for us.
So these must be our tents over there.
Yeah. My toes are crying. So this is where we'll be sleeping tonight.
Excellent.
Well,
Did you bring them?
yeah, they're
I'll
right
be
here in
impressed
fact.
if you did.
Well, they're what's left of them after the thing. Because I brought them after the walk. Look what's left of them. Now here, you take them.
So, how do you feel? How was today?
Great hike.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm glad we're here though.
Yeah, and thank you for
Oh,
organizing all this. This is the guy that invited us. He organized this
thanks for coming,
amazing
guys.
hike. Yeah. So, hey Reg,
I'm proud of you.
you ready for your massage?
What type
He
of
said-
massage are you talking about?
Yeah.
Ready for that type.
Yeah.
Been walking all day for this.
Yeah.
But I do, Shanice. With my sailing with Robert.
Yeah. You know, you don't even look tired, Reg. You look great.
I'm tired. It's just my
Yeah.
feet are.
Yeah. Sleep pretty good. But Reg didn't sleep really good because we have a snorer right next door. I don't know if you can hear him. Yeah, but it was a good night's sleep. Not the best, but for in a tent, it was alright. So it's about 5 o'clock right now. Let me see. Yeah. And we're gonna go bring over our bags to put it on the mule. As the mule bring our bags for us, and that's good because our hands are free and we can walk without having all our heavy stuff in our hands. I'm happy about that. Yeah, so far so good. Today we're going to see a really nice spot. I don't remember the name right now, and I just wake up, so I can't really think. But when I remember the name, I'll tell you. But it should be a pyramid and all that. So it's really fun stuff. Yeah. We're just packing up our bags so we can go and have breakfast and start walking early. Hey guys, thank you for watching my video. If you like it, give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, remember to go and subscribe so you'll be able to see new videos, and see you next week for the continuation of this video. Bye.